Hello everyone. Today we will discuss our NEPSE principles of trading, types of trading patterns, and at last we will be analyzing the chart of NEPSE and the stock which will be revealed at the end. So stay tuned and don't miss the opportunity. First, let's start with what exactly technical analysis is. Technical analysis is the study of price movements and volume to identify trading and investment opportunities in the market. Second, one should know about the basics of how the stock works and the history of the stock one is trading on. We will be trading on NEPSE, also known as Nepal Stock Exchange, which was established on 13 January 1994. Currently, there are 249 listed companies on NEPSE. The timing for the stock exchange is from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The working days is from Sunday to Thursday. We have holidays on Friday and Saturday. The stock exchange works on T+2, that is trading plus 2 working days for your settlement to be completed. NEPSE is regulated by SEBON, that is Securities Board of Nepal, which was established on 7 June 1993. So, moving ahead, we have types of trading. There are many types of trading, but I mainly categorize them into 3 categories, and this is categorized on the basis of the trading duration. First, we have intraday trading, in which one buys and sells stock on the same day itself. Suppose I bought a stock today at the morning, that is 11:05 a.m. I will be selling the stock before the day ends, that is 3 p.m. to close my trade and book a profit. Second, we have swing trading, in which one buys and sells stock over a period of few weeks. Suppose I bought a stock today, I will be selling the stock in the period of few weeks to meet my target, and I will exit and close my trade. Third, we have positional trading, in which one buys and sells stock over a period of few months or few years. So people do include fundamental analysis also in it to be more safe about the company, because over a period of time, that is few months or few years. Now we have 3 trading principles that I personally stick to. First, the market always discounts itself. So always be patient and wait for the market to discount itself before entering into a trade. Always have a stop loss and keep track of where you will be selling your stocks. The target should be set even if the stock is in profit, and the target should be revised frequently according to the changes in the market. Second, we have prices moves in trend. As we can clearly see in the chart itself that price have been moving in trend. There are 3 types of trends: upward, downward and sideways trend. Upward trend is the one where the index is comparatively rising from its base price. Normally happens in a bull market. Then we have a downward trend where the index is comparatively declining from its base rate. Normally happens in a bear market, as we can clearly see in the chart as well, where the NEPSE price started to decline from 3,200, that was on 26th August, till 16 June when the price was around 1850. Lastly, we have a sideways trend which moves in a sideways pattern in a range of price. As we can see in the chart itself, the range was between 1800 to 2200. NEPSE has been in a sideways trend since 16 June till now. Now we are at the third principle, and in technical analysis everyone follows this rule. It says that history always repeats itself. And if you see, it is pretty logical as well. Means if the history doesn't repeat itself, then we can't predict the price movement. And the main goal for technical analysis is predicting the price movement. So yeah, history should always repeat itself. Today we will just be analyzing NEPSE with support and resistance. It's so simple. Just after my video, you can go and practice and start trading. It's so simple. We have to just draw lines and nothing more in support and resistance. That's it. Okay, so first let's understand what support and resistance is. So support and resistance are just a level where the prices either bounces upwards or bounces downwards. Okay, so let's make some support. Let's go with support first. Okay, so support is just a level from which the prices just bounces upwards, bounces back. So we can call this as a support, this level as support, this level as support, this level, this level as support. The lines I have made is just, I am not doing anything new. I am just saying the level at which and the prices are bouncing back, bouncing upwards. All those lines are my support. And resistance is just the opposite, the level where my prices bounces downwards, goes downwards. This level, here, all this level can be called as resistance. Nothing new, nothing more. It's so simple. All these lines we can call this support and resistance, nothing else. Okay. In this, there is one more rule. The amount of level that it occurs again and again. Like if we see, you just remove all the lines and just see here when I draw a horizontal line over here. Support are marked by green and resistance are marked by red. I will do one more line over here for resistance. Okay, this is just a line. I will explain it. So it's simple, don't think it's complicated, it's really simple, and we will go through the same journey. It's fine. Okay, yeah, so here we are at point 1812. We can see at this level the price has bounced back many times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. We can say one more time. So at this level we can say it is a strong support because prices have bounced back from the same level 5 times. So this acts as a strong support for us. Similarly, this will act a strong resistance for us because the times it has bounced down, prices are 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5. The same time, it's the strong resistance and we have found the strong support. And when the prices go above the resistance, it is called breakout. Whenever the prices go above the resistance, that is called out. And whenever the prices go below the support, it is called breakdown. What is it called? Breakdown. Whenever the prices go below the support line. So I'm 100% sure that everybody would be clear about support and resistance. Now we will be making more lines for support and resistance. Now we will be, as I have already mentioned, history repeats itself. So let's go back and see where we have a strong support or resistance. Also one more thing, if this support, like in 14 December, I can see there was strong support previously, 2258 at 2258. Remember one thing, that whenever a resistance has breakdown, what did I say? Whenever a support breaks down, when the prices go below the support. If I say one thing, on suppose I was here, okay, and now the price break down. This was initially it was my support because I didn't knew it would break down, but after some time it break down. So this will act as a resistance. So simply it's that whenever a support breaks down, it acts as a resistance. Okay, if the prices went below, after this point, if the price went below 1800, this level would act as a resistance. Whenever prices break down, it breaks the support and goes down, the same support will act as a resistance. Okay, if you are not clear, just let me know in the comment section itself. Okay, so that's it for now. Similarly, like it acted as support previously, now it will act as a resistance for us. We will be drawing more support because we can see at this point there was a strong support. Prices had been bouncing back upwards from this point. We can see at here 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see at here also, and we can see here also the prices started to bounce back from here. So we can say this is a strong support for us at 1946. We will see if there are more supports or not. We can mark this as well as a support. As we said, for instance, we can see the same thing for a support. When a resistance breaks out, when the prices goes above the resistance, the same resistance will act as a support for us. Suppose if the price, like now it is at 2204, if the price goes above this point, above 2210, then 2210 will act as our support instead of resistance. Okay, so that's it. You can try the same thing at different levels, different stocks. Always you will find support and resistance, no matter what. Okay, and everything deals around support and resistance in technical analysis, according to me. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. I think so it is clear. We have found a strong resistance at the point 2210, and if the prices goes above it, we can say there is another resistance at the point 2258. Okay, and after I will be analyzing further. So here we are, as I promised at the starting of the video, we will be analyzing a stock, and today we will be analyzing Upper Tamakosi Hydropower Limited, which is one of the best government-owned hydropower. And after the downtrend of NEPSE from 3200 till now, Upper Tamakosi has been falling down, and now it is at its lowest. I don't think so it will go any low below this. From starting till now, the price hasn't been going down from this level. Okay, so we know one thing for sure, it won't go below this. Okay, so that's it. Now we will be drawing support and resistance. For support, we will go for green line. We have made one support line because we can see the price bounced back from this point. We will make another support line. Okay, so yeah, go here and make another support line. We will be making it here because the price bounced back from here. Oh, it is here. Yeah. So the price has been bouncing back from here in the past as well, and we know from our third principle that history always repeats itself. Good. So we saw the price increasing from this point, so this will act as a support for us. Now we will be making some resistance line. We will make a resistance line here, and we will make it red color because resistance line are made of red color because decreases our price. It's act as a barrier. It is not good for us. So we can see, as I've said earlier, that past always repeats itself. So we can use the past resistance and support in our favor, and we can predict where the market will go, and it might stop or bounce back or bounce down. We have made multiple support and resistance line. We can make one more resistance line over here. This is acted as a support and resistance both around this time only. Okay, so we have made 4 resistance line and 2 support line. So we have done till we made support and resistance line. Now we will be analyzing how it works on our favor and how it doesn't. First of all, let's go with stop loss. I will make 152.48 as my stop loss because I haven't seen the stock go below 152.48, and if the stock breaks down this support, I don't know where it will end. So I don't want to go in that part and make a huge loss. Rather than I will have a small amount of loss rather than going for a big one. Okay, so that's it. We have learned stop loss, support and resistance. And also one more thing I forgot to tell you all, how we can trade in it. Now I will enter in the market at the price which is 160.04. I will enter. Suppose I get stocks in this price tomorrow, that is Sunday. I just enter in the market 160.50 with stop loss of 152.48, and if the price goes below 152.48, I will sell my stock, and if the price goes up, I will wait for 165, which is a 164.92. If I will just hold this stock, and if it breaks down this resistance, that is at level 154.92, then I will wait for 171.08, then 177, and then 184. As the price gradually increase, the stop loss of mine will also gradually increase with each level of support and resistance. Okay, suppose, I don't think so if I was able to make you clear. So suppose the price ends up going upwards and it ended at 171. Suppose, I'm not saying it will go, suppose it will go to 171 and it's end here. Now my new support my new stop loss will be at 164.92, because I don't want to lose money more than this. I made profit, I will just go above it. So gradually I've increased my stop loss as well to upwards, which will turn into stop profit. So just gain the profit and leave rather than losing that profit as well. That's what I was saying. Okay, I don't know if I was able to explain it properly or not. If not, please let me know. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'm really sorry if I could not explain it properly. If not, please do let me know. Your feedback will play a vital role in me improving as an analyst and as a trainer or as a teacher as well. That's it for today. Thank you everyone for your support and love in the last video. I hope it will continue for a long time, and I'm really grateful for everyone who has showed support to me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.